This is your exercise of comparison of adjectives. In the previous video, I have explained you this chapter. Now you have to write this in your notebook and in your grammar workbook, which is also your test book. So I'll tell you that what you have to write in your notebook and what you have to write in your workbook. So children, this is all here it is definitions about 3 degrees: superlative, positive and comparative. So you have to copy this all in your notebook, grammar notebook. First you have to write in the chapter name of the chapter, comparison of adjectives. Then you have to copy this all one by one. Next page is here, so you have to pause it and you have to write all this also. And this one, till here you have to write in your notebook. Okay, now what you have to write in your workbook. So this is the answer. Page number 44 of your grammar test book or workbook. You have only one book of grammar, so page number 44 you have to write this. See here, the first is, the elephant is the dash intelligent of all. So children, here is comparison of elephant between the, not between one or two animals, but all. So as I told you, if it is the adjective is more than two syllable or more than two syllable, you have to add over there more or most, but you have to identify the where you have to write more or most. If the sentences shows you that the is only comparison between two person or two things or two animals and all, you have to write over there more. And if it shows, a sentence shows you it's comparison between all the person, all the things and all the animals, so you have to write that most. Okay, so the here is the elephant is the dash intelligent of all animals. So now is a comparison between two animals? No, it comparison between the all elephants, okay, in the world, so it will come most intelligent. Second, it was the dash proud moment of my life. So it is the proud, this is a one moment of my life. It's not a comparison between one moment or two moment, it's comparison between the all life, full life. Okay, so it will become the proudest, and it's only a one syllable, proud, only one syllable, so you have to add over there come superlative est. Third one, the dash young brother of was given the dash pocket money. So youngest, the youngest means, you know, there's all very the smallest brother in the family. Okay, so youngest and the little will come the least, which is irregular. Now like that only for, all have written here. Her job was dear till it is one syllable, so it will come the dearer because it's a comparison between two, job and baby. Spider-Man was might will become mighter, comparative. It will become the comparison of giant. Pulses, cereals, fruits and juices are not nutritious is the more than two syllable or more than two syllable, which will come the, and is comparison between cheese and butter. It's not comparison between the all nutritious things in the world, but it's comparison between the pulses, cereals, juices, fruits and between the cheese and butter. So two things comparison, so it will come the more, not the most. Saudi, seventh one, though the Saudi Arabia is the dash dry, is the driest of Asia, est will come, and the useful become the most. Okay, because it's two syllable use and full. Now next, if we move this all, at the time the public has good will become better, because comparison between two elite class and public, so it will become the better, not best. And I told you that it won't become good or goodest, it will become the good, better, best, like that. Now Ravi is the idealist est in the class. Is Ravi is the only one person, is the ideal of all the full in the whoever student in the class is the one person is the ideal from the all, so become the last one, so it become the est, least. The thief's color turned grayer than before. Drumstick is thinner than the bottle gourd. Now the comparison between drumstick and the bottle gourd, comparison between two things, so it will come the thinner. Er it you will be add over there, and this is one syllable, thir, you have to add there er. and the N will become the double N you have to add over there. The sand on the seashore is finer than the mountains. Comparison between seashore and the mountains will become the finer. That is comparative. Now here is student you have to add over here to, then, and off. You have to think and have to write over there. The diamond jewelry is costlier than any other jewelry. Mr. Gupta was senior to the teachers by the 5 years. A friend is better than a foe that cares more than the other two. Prior to his being a leader, the principal had nominated him. Peat is inferior to coal. Indian handicraft is superior to other handmade products of the world. Sangeeta will be the best superwoman of all. So children, this one you have to write in your grammar workbook. So I hope you got it. I did clearly without any spelling mistakes. Thank you.